Hi guys, I'm Marty, development chef for Tucker Fresh IGA, and today I'm going to show you how to make my sweet corn and chorizo fritters with chili, avocado and lime yogurt. So first off, I'm going to start by sifting my flour into the bowl. Really important that you sieve your flour, guys, so you don't want any lumps in your mix. Just before we get all the flour through, I'm just going to add a teaspoon of baking powder. What the baking powder does is it just gives the fritter a nice lift. Now we're going to add 2 eggs. A generous amount of salt and pepper. And we're going to whisk in our milk. The secret to a good fritter is the consistency of the batter. It's got to be really thick. You almost want it to resemble a cake mixture. So this is the consistency we're looking for, almost like a cake mix, really thick. So now we're going to add in our sweet corn, just from the can, make sure it's well dried. We're going to add our finely diced chorizo, spring onions and coriander. We're just going to give this a good mix with a wooden spoon. So the secret to a good fritter is also your batter to ingredient quantity. So you can see how this is really dense. It's really got a lot of ingredients in there. And the reason for this is whenever you're biting into your fritter, you want to be biting into excitement and not just dough. So I've got my pan on a medium heat, splash of olive oil, and we just want to get this hot before we start spooning in our fritter mix. So now that our pan's come up to temperature, we're going to fry the fritters. We're going to take a generous tablespoon, place it into the pan and just spread it out into a circle. We're going to go in a clockwise direction so you can always remember which one you put in first. The great thing about this recipe is you don't have to use chorizo or you don't have to use sweet corn. You can literally put whatever you want in here. As long as you use this technique and you use that batter recipe, it's going to be beautiful. So our fritters are in the pan cooking. We're just going to finish off our avocado, chili and lime yogurt. We've got 1 smashed avocado, just peeled and smashed with a fork. We're going to fold our yogurt through this. Finely diced red chili and lime zest. The lime zest just gives it that nice freshness and it gives it a real nice zing as well. We're just going to mix this through. Beautiful, creamy, tangy, delicious. So my fritters have been frying for about 4 minutes. I'm just going to quickly check them to make sure that I'm happy with the color. And then we're just going to flip them, again working in a clockwise direction. So my fritters have been cooking for about 6 minutes now, and you can see, look at how golden and delicious they look. We've got our beautiful avocado, lime and chili yogurt. We'll just serve this in the ramekin. So here we have it, guys, my sweet corn and chorizo fritters with avocado, chili and lime yogurt. Perfect to impress your friends with for a summer barbecue.